Alright, here's the 77 Guild Starfire 2 in natural, and just going to do a quick sound demo. Got the pickup selector switch here, got the master volume, and I'll just do a quick finger style with the deep hard switch engaged and disengaged for each of the positions, neck, middle, and bridge. So first starting with the neck position, all the way open, tone wide open, volume wide open, and then the deep hard switch disengaged first and then engaged. Engaged. Middle. Engaged. Disengaged, and then the bridge. Tone rolled off. Tone all the way up. Middle. Tone rolled off. Tone open. Neck. Tone rolled off.